Welcome to privatebonds.net, a site sponsored by Pioneer Services, LLC, specifically for accredited investors seeking secured above-market returns. Here, accredited investors have an opportunity to make direct investments in privately held debt securities backed by commercial real estate. These debt securities offer fixed-rate returns as high as 12%. Most people are unaware that an area of investment opportunity exists apart from the familiar world of publicly traded stocks, bonds, annuities, CDs, and other traditional investments. They are surprised to learn that it is possible to experience consistent cash flow with targeted interest rates paid on a quarterly basis. Pioneer Services, LLC offers investors the ability to participate in privately issued debt securities, also called bonds, backed by commercial real estate and in many cases by the personal guarantees of the borrowers. Pioneer Services, LLC is a commercial real estate mortgage and financial services firm that funds commercial real estate mortgage loans by issuing private debt securities to its network of accredited investors. Loans are only made to highly experienced and well-qualified owners and investors of commercial real estate who can clearly demonstrate an ability to repay the loan. How does the loan approval process work? The experienced mortgage professionals at Pioneer Services, LLC originates, underwrites, and thoroughly analyzes the borrower and the real estate to be held as collateral. Independent third-party reports are obtained to reveal the true market value of the real estate and to expose any hidden risk. The loan package is reviewed by an internationally recognized independent real estate advisory firm that specializes in real estate valuations and ongoing surveillance. Upon approval of the loan request, a loan commitment is issued and debt securities are sold to our network of accredited investors. Proceeds from the security sale are pooled into a single-purpose entity, SPE. The SPE funds the loan, holds deed to the property, collects monthly payments, and makes quarterly distribution payments to investors. Why invest in private debt securities backed by commercial real estate? Investments are secured by tangible assets. Investments in publicly traded stocks or bonds are mostly unsecured with no tangible assets to back them. Securities sold by Pioneer Services, LLC are totally backed by commercial real estate. Built-in equity. Because borrowers are required to invest a minimum of 25 to 40% equity into the property, investors receive built-in equity. This means that for every dollar invested in the private debt security, there is a minimum of $1.25 and in most cases $1.40 of collateral to secure the investment. The built-in equity gives investors a hedge against real estate market depreciation. Targeted fixed-rate income with quarterly payment distributions. Investors receive a fixed-rate return as high as 12% paid quarterly until the end of the investment term. Loans are generally made on a 2 to 5 year term. At the end of the term, the loan is paid off and the investor receives the initial investment in full. Cash-in option. On occasion, investors may desire to cash in their securities before the investment term expires. Investors have the option of selling their debt securities to investors in our network or back to Pioneer Services, LLC at any time. Qualified plans. Pioneer Services, LLC can assist investors in allocating a portion of capital from a qualified plan to invest in these debt securities, thus taking advantage of the inherent tax advantages. Private bonds offer stable returns and fit well within a portfolio of public stocks, bonds, and real estate. Adding these to your portfolio will make the returns of the total portfolio more consistent. For information on our current offerings, please register at www.privatebonds.net.